Welcome to this guide on accessing your Aurora College Moodle account. This video will introduce you to the basic layout of this online learning platform. Also, we'll discuss how to access your courses and some of the other neat features and tools available to you. Let's begin. Accessing Moodle. To log into Moodle, we start by visiting the Aurora College website at auroracollege.nt.ca. It doesn't matter if you place the www in front of it. You will land on the same website. Once we are at the website, go to the Current Students drop-down menu and click on Student Login, then Moodle Login. Alternatively, you can select Student Login at the bottom of the page. Select the button under Student and Staff Login. Sign in with your Aurora College student email and password. If you don't remember your email or password, don't worry. You should have received it in your personal email. Look for the email subject, Student Login Information. This email will be from an Aurora College admissions officer. In the email, you should see a PDF document with your student ID and your name as its label. This document will have your username and password. Download and open it. In the document, you will find your name and student number at the top. It is important to read this document as it has a lot of useful links and information. In the middle of the document, you will find your username, email, and password. Use this email and password to log into the Aurora College Moodle website. The first time you log in, there's an option to take a tour. This is a great way to get a walkthrough of all of Moodle's important features. If you'd like to retake the tour later, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Reset User Tour for this page. For this video, we will end it, but I encourage you to take it when you have time to play around in Moodle. The home page. Once logged in, you'll land on the home page. This page serves as your central hub for accessing various Moodle features. Whenever we press the Home tab, we will be brought to this home page. Even if we are inside our course, pressing the Home tab will bring us to the home landing page. At the top of this page, you'll find several options. On the left is My Dashboard. This is a customizable page that provides you with details of your progress and upcoming deadlines. It's a great way to keep track of your coursework and stay organized. In the middle you see Email and Office 365 Portal. This page allows you to use and download Office 365 software, providing you with essential tools for your coursework. We'll discuss this in another section. On the right you see Student Toolkit. This is a comprehensive resource provided by Aurora College. It includes a variety of tools and resources to assist you in your academic journey. You can access Grammarly for proofreading, request a tutor, access Aurora College libraries and online search for research, and much more. You should definitely check this page out when you have time to play in Moodle. Below the banner with these three options, you'll find a list of my courses. This section lists all the courses you're enrolled in, providing quick access to your individual course pages. Let's select a course we are enrolled in. Upon entering your course, you'll be greeted with a video of your instructor. The instructor will introduce themselves and set expectations of the course. This is a great way to start your learning journey, hearing directly from your instructor about the course and what to expect. At the top of the page, you can open a navigation bar by clicking Menu and close it by clicking Menu again. You can return home to Moodle's main page or you can view your dashboard. Selecting My Courses will give you a drop-down menu that allows you to move between your different courses. Each course will have its own drop-down menu. From this area, you can see the participants of each course, your grades, competencies, and the different sections of the course. Most courses have not set up their competencies in Moodle, so don't be alarmed if you click on it and find it blank. How to check your grades. To check your grades, navigate to the top of your course page. Here, you'll find the Grades option next to Participants. Clicking on Grades will allow you to view your grades for all of the lessons, assignments, quizzes, and other activities that your course can grade you on. Some instructors calculate missing marks as 0, but most do not include missing grades into the calculation of your course average in Moodle. If you are not sure which method your instructor is using, it is important to clarify this with your instructor, so you can get a more accurate description on how you are performing in the course. Contacting your instructor. To contact your instructor, look to the left side of the page under the video welcome message. You'll find the Contact Your Instructor section. In this section you will see your instructor's contact information. Also, there will be buttons for the different ways to contact your instructor. The first button is to email your instructor. If you click this button, it will open your email client and enter your instructor's email automatically. The second button is to contact your instructor in Microsoft Teams. When you select this button, a direct chat to your instructor in Microsoft Teams will open. All Aurora College instructors use MS Teams, so this may be a great method to get a hold of your instructor or share files with them. You can use your Aurora College login from Moodle to log into MS Teams. The third button is to attend class. If your course has regularly scheduled classes, also known as synchronous, you can press this button to take you directly to your class. This will open the video conferencing software to access your class. It will most likely be MS Teams because this is the program that Aurora College instructors use. Notifications and messages. Your instructor or other participants in the course can message you directly in Moodle. On the top right-hand side of the page, there's a message bubble that will show you if you have new messages or allow you to message another user. You can respond by selecting the chat bubble and then their name. When you type and send, this message will be sent directly to the participant. The bell icon will tell you if you have any notifications, like a due date or a grade. Navigating your course. Most of the courses you will be enrolled in use the format One Topic. One Topic is a course format that organizes topics into tabs. This makes it easier to navigate through the course content. Simply click on the tabs at the side of the course page to move between different topics. Some tabs may be locked or hidden. These can be unlocked as you progress through your course. For example, let's say you have not completed an exam in Module 1. Module 2 may not become available until you pass the exam in Module 1. If you are having any issues accessing a tab you should have access to, please contact your instructor. Your course will be made up of many Moodle activities. We will speak about these in another section. Library search. Over to the left under the Contact Your Instructor section, you can search for the College Library EBSCO Discovery Services. To search the library collection, simply search for a topic you are researching while logged into your account. Then select Access through your institution. Search for Aurora College. And select the Bodja campus. Your results will be provided as either digital files that can be downloaded or they will be interlibrary loans. The loans will go to the Bodja campus. If you have any issues accessing this, try to log into your account again. If you are still having issues, please contact your local community adult educator or your instructor for help. You can also access the Aurora College Library directly by selecting one of the campuses under the EBSCO search area. This time, let's select Yellowknife campus to change it up a bit. Once here, you will have access to the Aurora College Library services. A librarian may be online to help you. You can select Chat Now to initiate a chat with an Aurora College librarian. Please speak to an Aurora College librarian for a full scope of resources and services. As you work your way through your first course in Moodle, you'll learn how to use more features, such as viewing links, videos, submitting assignments, taking quizzes, or participating in discussion forums. Remember, if at any time you have questions or need assistance, just contact your instructor or community adult educator. Enjoy your class and happy learning!